Congress MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan slams Manipur Inner Line Permit System guidelines as total deception. Says Manipur ILP is travel document for free entry of outsiders to eliminate indigenes. Students' organization JCLPS demand proper definition of indigenous and permanent residents of Manipur in Inner Line Permit System guidelines. And Forest Environment Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar declares eviction of all illegal encroachers in reserve forest areas within January this new year. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Thursday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Congress MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan has slammed the rules and regulation of the Manipur Inner Line Permit System published by the Home Department as a total deception. He claimed that the guideline is a travel document for outsiders belonging to majority communities to enter the state and eliminate the indigenous inhabitants. Speaking to media at his residence in Kuyathong today, MLA Joy Kishan claimed that the Gazette notification issued by the State Home Department on December 31, 2019 cites nothing to save the indigenous inhabitants of the state. He alleged the BJP government of trying to bring in more outsiders in the state. He also mentioned that there is a controversy regarding allocation of permanent residencies. Joy Kishan stated that the guideline exempts central and paramilitary, armed forces and their family members, central government officials, laborers of central corporation and government projects from the ILP regime. He also said that the guideline has no provision to identify indigenous inhabitants and does not mention any base year to carry out the system.
BSR Madru Yumfam Weraga, Logadoni, indigenous people say Karinoise, Mashi close the Utkadone. Since the day of its inception, that is from 31st December 2019, again a Loni Hadibra, Maratale Ribo Mayam Sings, Makoi the ILP, Chanadori, Chanaldori, Chamamna Latame, Manipur Langana, Manipur Miamas, Kangdava, Gipum da Uraga, Paraki Tongan Bombum the Kimito Mian Chasing here. ILP Yagan Boshan for Yabulamay, BJP na Manipuri Chapana, but Tabo Matorokota, Congress. MLA man yearly in a lady. Hayek Tarik Ahumgi, evening Pumari Bogi Manunda, Honorable Chief Minister Namapamatam Hiro, anywhere Hayeng Bomanunda, Hirak Ragati, CLA Laure. Who debate the web why you seen and in the Hajero Haga Wapanga Bagitan Jama PBU, Akogi Manipur Inner Line Permit Guideline 2019 here. Miam the Utsaiba Tabakni must the yellow me Naka the Bakarikum Bomte Yauti. She just travel document Amaka Kitamatani.
Meanwhile, Students' Organization of Manipur are urging the government to ensure that the rules and regulations of Manipur ILP safeguard the indigenous and permanent residents of the state. They warned of carrying out intense agitation if necessary steps are not taken to save the lands and political rights of the indigenous people. Let's have a look.
December ki tang kuntra mathoi da Manipur government ILP ki gazette ro phong ki ba se Manipur myam na ohening ba posak tu ji amu yaw da ba hana lai khraba mitop sing se akhoi gi matau karam na thonga da ge ha ba se amu yaw dre only yaw si di akhoi inter amu sung access khitang yaw masi Manipur government na athu matam da akhang hai sing tanaraga amuk masi gi gazette se phong da ne ha ba se aims ki ma khai dei thamjani
gazette ki clause 22 da akhoi power to relax the ILPS asi state ki cabinet Amazon state ki akhoi government da akhoi power piraga masi muthat payabagi happy basi asi lokthoga ahan ba sem ki ba gazette asi makhata na amend torga akhoi command torga dictate tongni command torga deport tongni habagi policy program hapaga atuba matam da chatna targadi hena phag
JLPS amadi myamna andula lakleba yelomi kanabagi issue asida Manipur Legislative Assembly na pass tawkhraba adugna Manipur People's Bill India gi President SNP rakhiba targasu matamda Manipur native people amadi Manipur indigenous people haibagi wanthok mapungpana Manipur myam na amatoni yanarakanda maduda hapkiba adung native people gi wanthok ado ngasi gi chanargariba BFR asidasu madugi yanakhiba aduga hilera committee yakiba Manipur chingtam punamangni yanakhiba adungba native people gi wanthok ado BFR asida hapkadamne
Manipur lenga na phongkhiba LP gi gazette ta Manipur da mangjong na changtuna laikhraba nan Manipur singi chap chaba makoi de taram makhangi paru pira kan taramba makhangi ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯇꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯕꯥꯔꯇꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯅꯔꯂꯦꯟ ꯄꯥꯔꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯔꯨꯅꯥꯆꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯒꯦꯖꯦꯠꯇꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯦꯖꯦꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ.
Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, JCLPS, has also slammed the rules and regulations of Manipur Inner Line Permit System. JCLPS has warned to carry out drives to check whether non-locals in the state are holding necessary permits with them or not. Speaking to media at JCLPS office in Segar Road, Konjan Hazari Laikai today, JCLPS convener YK Dhiren said the Manipur ILP guidelines issued by the state government on December 31st, 2019 failed to define who the indigenous and permanent residents of Manipur are. Hence, it is not satisfactory. He also demanded the government to include a base year in the guidelines for carrying out the ILPS. YK Dhiren further demanded the government to keep proper digital machines at the newly opened ILPS checkpost to help in verifying documents of outsiders entering the state.
Section singshida ariba gazette sigi se para singshida para wise yang pumatamda hariba sida yauriba para number 3 the yauriba any person who is not indigenous person or state of Manipur or permanent residents of the state of Manipur and entering the state shall obtain a permit to enter the state called inner line permit. I the yauriba koigi indigenous haibashi define toramdre aduga permanent resident haibashi masu define todre adu erga the permanent resident asi kana boidorino aikoina hanadagi pamdadana laiba Manipur dal hanadagi leishan kraba aikoi non indigenous people sing Gazette asina maram marakanda makoisi permanent residents or oilakanda pass and the permit piroi doribra habaki question ama aikoisi da chauna thole.
All India Students Federation Manipur State Council has warned of intense agitation if the authority concerned failed to release those FCI workers who were arrested by police during their recent stir over FCI Sangai Paro and Jiribam Godown issues within a week. Forest and Environment Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar has declared to carry out total eviction of illegal encroachments in reserved forest areas within January this new year. He has also disclosed that efforts are underway to convert unclassed forests into community reserves under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Speaking to media at his quarter in Kanglapat today, Minister Thanawjam Shyamkumar expressed disappointment that Manipur has lost forest cover by 499 square kilometer as per the India State of Forest Report 2019 published by the Forest Survey of India. He said that the State Forest Department has started carrying out mass tree plantation drive to preserve forest areas. Minister Shyamkumar said that out of the lost forest areas, 491 square kilometer are in the hill districts of Churachandpur, Tamenglong, Senapati, Chandal and Ukhrul. Churachandpur district with a loss of 250 square kilometer forest area is the district with the maximum loss of forest covered as per the report. Stating that in the hill districts, the state has mainly unclassed forest which is under the control of the communities, Minister Shyamkumar said the Forest Department is not in position to enforce Indian Forest Act 1927, hence efforts are underway to convert these unclosed forests into community reserves to preserve the forest. He also said Churachandpur and Tamenglong districts are extremely fire-prone areas, so to tackle the same, livelihood components in every scheme of the Forest Department have been incorporated in recent years in order to reduce the numbers of jhumias and villages are being trained to fight forest fires by equipping them with forest fires fighting tools. The Forest Minister also said the department is carrying out regular destruction of poppy cultivation areas with NAB and police to reclaim the same to cover under forest. The minister further said that constructions of railway, highways mainly, PMGSY roads and jhum cultivation are the major cause of forest land degradation in the state. He maintained that persistent excavation of lands from the hill areas 2 to 3 years ago is the main cause of degradation of forest lands in the valley areas, mainly in Imphal and Thoubal district. Minister Shyam Kumar clarified that above this, legalizing of land ownerships in forest areas by the relevant departments due to lack of proper survey is a prime reason for encroachment of forest lands.
Fajagraba Manipur ki land sing pat turen si prajan mating pangbiu praja ki mating yaudagati kai kadungna su kai environment si septo mangamoy environment septo ngam mi be khosi nungai ni mangamoy Manipur da tongan tongan project mayam si paikhalakpada sing da adagi mu pata pi ba kan da su reserve forest lai ba jaga langon lai mayam thugai phun tak thakatana adabu oneban court ta case tokhalak pata piram dai da revenue department na officer sing na reku phin da sala kan da na pata pi du kalam jaga da land record no pata si piram magadi ngasi gisi operam thomoy si oneban si minister yam kupna sing matang da tanara kanda revenue department ke su oneban minister revenue ke su tanara kanda yam thuna khoi gi leiba forest ki lamda ata ta chale myam si masi khoina si thajagre illegal encroachment construction myam si sabjana janwai thamnang ja pumna khoi oneban court si phajana khoi apin chala kanda lauthogni hadana ai
United Committee Against Public Grievances, UCAPG Jiribam, has strongly rebuked Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren's recent remarks declaring that he will not convert other parts of Manipur like Jiribam during his reign as being insensitive and depicting Jiribam as not belonging to Manipur. The committee in a press release urged Chief Minister N. Biren not to make any such controversial statements which may ignite communal tension among communities. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Golden Jubilee celebration of Laikthungching village. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Thursday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Representative of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Lok Sabha MP, Dr. Lodho Foze has espoused for communal harmony to bring peace in the state. He was speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Langthangching village in Langol Hill today. He appealed to people of various communities of the state to have cordial relations in order to bring development in the state. Attending the event, Phungyar MLA K. Lesho appealed to protect forests and to stop killing wildlife to maintain nature's ecosystem. A monolith for the 50th year of existence of the village was also unveiled on the occasion. Cultural performance of various communities including Maring and Rongwei were showcased at the event.
Manipur si hena aphabalam da mohan si khunna sigi awat pa leba si community hall leite na yamna kanna hana sida lapam thanda so haram me mathang che wana su memorandum on su people lay akoi uja lesio na so aingoda hanjan haiduna lebani maduna ai madu khalle haraga handaki athuba matam amada khun asigi damakta community hall amadi pige hena aina mayam da su lauthok chabani
akoi tribal singdi forest nungsi gadamni forest bungak kadamni business ki damakta u kakpa yanba isa gi karamba akoi greedy duna ngasi loina kanu ka kaksalaga foresting si mayam si mangsal akoi ipu ipa de practice tawrakpani forest ngak pase akoi su forest preserve tawsi if forest laitragadi akoi di hingpham laiti.
Foreign Affairs and Defence Minister of the DGR and Exile Government of Manipur in London, Narimbam Samarjit, in a press release said that the government observed the Manipur Constitution Day at Chief Minister's Secretariat in London yesterday, commemorating the day when Maharaja Bodhchandra handed over sovereign authority to the people of Manipur on January 1st, 1974. Around 1 kilometer straight of road will be constructed from Wapokpi Ongamen Thong till Ithai to facilitate fish farmers of the area. The road will be constructed under State Finance Commission 2019 to 20. State Finance Commission SO Jila Parishad member of Borayanbi Gram Panchayat and fish farmers of the area have inspected the road construction site. Mau Imphal Market Coordination Committee in a press release informed that the committee, along with Progressive Youth Association Lamsang, will hold one-day Mau market sale at Lamsang Market, Imphal West on January 3rd. Pre-production ceremony of Manipuri film Thambal by Kanglei Wood Films was held at Oinam Makhalaikai today. Thambal, directed by Da Tamo Sharma and produced by Ashalata Oinam, is expected to be on screens by 2020 end. Avi Kundrakpam, Eliza Chandam, Indu and Reena are in the lead roles of the film. Yungkhaibam Athletic Development Association Yada in a press release has extended heartiest New Year greetings to people of the state. Now the sports news. Manipur State softball team left Imphal today to participate in the Sub-Junior National Softball Championship 2020 to be held at Kathak in Odisha from January 5th to 9th. Secretary General of Pony Softball Association, K.H. Mohanlal, flagged off the team from ISBT at around 7 this morning. Manager N. Indramani is leading 13 boy players and Y. Surjamukhi is leading 13 girl players of the Manipuri team. Manipur bodybuilding team bagged 8 medals and 2 overall championships in the 76th National Bodybuilding Championship 2019, which was held in Bangalore on December 28 and 29, 2019. Kangjam Dinesh Chandra won a gold medal in Master 40 plus and an overall championship. Kumukcham Warren won another gold medal in Junior Short and an overall championship. Maibam Ronald bagged gold medal in Senior Medium Front. Mutu Sanjeet won a silver medal in Senior Short Groove and the bronze in fitness below 172 centimeter, and Salam Tomja also bagged a silver medal in Master 50 plus. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Congress MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan slams Manipur Inner Line Permit System guidelines as total deceptions. Says Manipur ILP is travel document for free entry of outsiders to eliminate indigenes. Students' organization JCLPs demand a proper definition of indigenous and permanent residents of Manipur in Inner Line Permit System guidelines. And Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawcham Shyam Kumar declares eviction of all illegal encroachers in reserved forest areas within January this new year.